Good morning guys, dobro jutro. Well, you might be able to hear we've got lots of noise going on in the village this morning. Most of the houses surrounding us are having building work done. It's 19 degrees, but it's an overcast day today, so everybody's just getting on with the work as they do in winter. Please like, share and subscribe our videos because we need your support. You know, we're going to keep making these videos while we're renovating the house, and even just living here and just life in general in a Bulgarian village. People seem to be really interested, and we get some lovely feedback and some lovely comments on our videos. So ask questions, you know, join in with the comments, absolutely great. And please stick around till the end of the video because we've got lots to come. We've got 3 birthday celebrations, we've got me getting stoned, but not literally. And what else have we got? We've also got motorbikes. There's a lot going on in this video, so please stay tuned, watch till the end, because a little bit of a bonus at the end, something that I've been working on for a while now, and I'd like to share with you guys. So stay till the end, enjoy the video, and I'll catch you all later. Do skoro.
Spider-Man, open it then.
Yeah,
open it.
Spider-Man one.
Ready?
What is that one? What is it? Two.
Wow. So you fixed your bike?
Yeah.
What next?
Hi, we are Glenn, Jessica, Cody and Toby, and would like to invite you on our family adventure. That's GBtoBG. Yes, Great Britain to Bulgaria. We bought a rural property in a village not too far from Sunny Beach, and we'd like to show you our journey.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Toby. Happy birthday to you.
Big love. Oh, nearly. Again. Oh. Make a wish. Yay!
So this is the first time making use of the new little play area, as it looks to be, that's been put where the old building was in the village. It's only across the road from where the church play area is, but we think that because that one's old and starting to rust in a lot of places, and has been for many years by the looks of it, they're putting a new one in on this side of the road, which is perfect for the boys. But at the moment it's a nice soft floor for them learning how to ride the bikes, even though Toby's enjoying running round, but it's his birthday, he can do what he wants. And more importantly, some lovely sunshine as well. Can't go wrong, absolutely.
I get more. Number 2, for me. I'm taking a shower. I get more. I get more. Good.
Well, we may have had some frost this morning, but as you can see, it's starting to warm up, and can't really complain with beautiful sunshine and a nice warm day at the beginning of February. So yeah, hopefully, we've had a look on the weather, and it looks like as of next week it's going to be around 18 degrees, maybe even touching 20 degrees most days. So it's going to be nice and warm, and we can enjoy this beautiful village, these beautiful mountains, and hopefully a nice walk along the beach is the plan. I'm just nipping to the shop, grab some more essentials so we can grab a bit of lunch at home. Can't beat this walk to the shop. It's certainly better than anything that we do at home in the UK. Definitely got a different feel and much more relaxing. God, I love this place. So guys, as you can see, this is the end of our village, and right at the end of our village it goes up into the mountains, and we're completely surrounded by hillside and mountains. And today we have something new. We have these guys that have turned up on motocross bikes to go and ride. So they've got a nice day for it. It's a beautiful sunny day today, and these guys are just getting ready, just getting prepped and warmed up, getting the bikes warmed up to go and do some motocross riding or enduro riding over the mountains. Quite an impressive sight, really. I'm quite impressed. I'm hopefully going to be able to grab some footage of them going and leaving. But this is cool. It's my kind of thing. So if you didn't know, one of my jobs back in the UK, I worked for a company that actually had a motocross track on site. So I've done some motocross riding, some enduro riding. Absolutely love it. And of course, myself and Jessica are very much into motorbikes. That's how we met, through the bike club all them years ago. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Well impressed. Some nice machines here as well. It's definitely an organised event.
Try again.
I go try this way back.
Go on then. You spit at him. How do you do it? Show him how it's done.
Good morning, dobro utro. So this is the morning after the night before. Myself, Jess and the kids went to celebrate our Bulgarian friend slash his birthday. So we were out from about midday yesterday afternoon, went and grabbed some lunch at our favourite little bistro in town. Absolutely amazing place. Grabbed some food, and then we went out and met everybody for some drinks and a bit of a party and karaoke. Yeah, but by 7 PM yesterday, both myself and Jessica were slightly drunk. And by 8:15 we were on the last bus home. We did plan on staying out longer, but the kids were tired, and to be honest, I don't think we could have carried on much longer. We're both feeling the effects of it this morning, let's put it that way. So yeah, fantastic evening. Good to catch up with some friends we've not seen for a while, and meet some new ones. So while we were there, we got invited to another birthday party, which is happening on Monday. So yeah, so it's great. It's always nice to meet new people. But yeah, all in all, we've been out, and we pretty never stopped drinking the whole time we were there, and the bill came to a grand total of 46 leather. So yeah, less than 20 quid, let's put it that way. So for two people to go out drinking, and obviously buying soft drinks for the boys as well, to get a bill of 46 leather, you cannot complain. An amazing evening, absolutely great. So we've got today to recover. I'm going to do a little bit of work this morning because we're running low on firewood. It's still been cold at night, even though it's warming up during the day. So we've been keeping the Pechka going at night and in the morning. So I'm going to cut some more firewood and try and keep you up to date on what I'm up to. So as you can probably see behind me, I've started moving a lot of these flagstones that I keep going on about because I just love them. I think they're amazing. And part of the Bulgarian way is to reuse as many materials as possible. So I've started taking them up from the driveway and stacking them here so we can make this whole area into a patio. I've managed to buy a full roll of the plastic sheeting to try and stop the weeds coming through. And I've got a long way to go. So all the flags are just from the first bit of the driveway that I've taken up. This lot will be covered and gravelled, so we'll still have a driveway. It'll just be gravelled and not flagged. And as you can see, the firewood is running low, so I'm going to restock that this morning. So guys, we have definitely seen an increase in prices, even in the village, but it's still not too bad. I mean, I've got 2 big cucumber, 3 large tomatoes, and some Bulgarian cheese for a Shopska salad, and it came to 12 leather. which is what, about five quid. So it's not too expensive, certainly compared to back in the UK, but definitely more expensive than it was when we first arrived here. Personally, I'd rather pay the smaller village shops and keep them alive than constantly going to the big supermarkets, because they rely on the trade from the village, and it's not a big village. I'm sure we could probably get some items cheaper from the Janet supermarket, but when you're not buying bulk items, day-to-day essentials, definitely use the local shops. But 12 lev, I'm happy. Anyway guys, catch you later. Skoro. So guys, as I've been showing you, I've got on with the driveway. I'm trying to get the drain pipe so we can drain from the patio all the way under the driveway sorted. And then this morning, Slash has kindly offered to help us, and he's ordered a load of gravel, which I was expecting to turn up later on in the week, but Bulgaria being Bulgaria, he literally said I'll be there in half an hour to 45 minutes, and here he is. So we've just rushed to put some stuff down, and we've got a tip a load of gravel for the driveway that's not quite ready for it yet. But that's Bulgaria, that's what happens. At least it's here. It's cost me about 100 quid for 5 tonne of good thick coarse stone, so we just need to get it as close in as we can, and then the rest of it shovel and wheelbarrow. Oh, that's the point, that's what I'm saying. When you're here we get things done. He needs to line that up better really, but
Stay there, kids.
it doesn't matter. I can get a shovel, I can get a wheelbarrow, I can sort it out. I didn't even think about the cables.
Boys.
Watching the truck. You two getting involved.
Everybody counting. Come on.
No?
I think so for 1 year. We can do it. What do you think?
It might take a while.
You see, that's hard work in Bulgaria.
2023 was the warm-up. 2024, we take over.